Okay, so let me quickly tackle this. This is a very repeated question. How long does it take someone to learn incremental reading, assuming using Supermemo? That depends. Like how long it takes to learn English. Depends on what you mean by learning, by knowing. Fluency level, mastery level. What do you mean by fluency, right? So it's not easy to tell. Awesome. So we say just fluency, that you can use the software more or less here and there for your daily usage, most of the basics, but you will lack domain knowledge for the specifics, like the language. In my case, was about 40 hours, just to get the basics. Just to let you know that the fluency cycle, the first one, it's a lot more than what I mean by this. It's not just the basics. It's basics and a lot more. And it's just 50 hours. So, what I needed to do in years, you will achieve it in hours. If you do it, let's say 1 hour a day, in 2 months, you will have a better perspective and domain than myself in a few years. That I invested a lot of hours in the rabbit hole. What is this? Because it was not in the documentation, so I tried myself 1 hours. So it will take a halfway, incredibly fast. The only thing that can go faster is doing the course with tutoring. That some people already do. That they even go faster. And what they acquire in 3 months is what I did in 2 years. And 2 years spending a lot of time. How long does it take? Depends. In natural time depends of the intensity. If you do it 1 hour per day, it's not the same as 10 minutes per day. Then, as time invested overall, so how many days you need to spend 50 hours, that will be it. Then, how much it takes to master incremental reading. Most of the ins and outs, if I have this need now, how it translates what I need to do in incremental reading, or if I'm a victim of this bias, how I mitigate it, all of this, that is in the mastery, that will be, I don't know, about 200 hours, more or less. What is this? Depends. If you put 1 hour a day, it will be 200 days. Keep in mind, I have invested 16 years with spaced repetition loan, and more than 5 just with Supermemo and incremental reading. I read about incremental reading years ahead of trying it out, by the way. So now you know. It's quite a lot, yes, but this quite a lot has been minimized. It's the goal of this guide. It's the highway. You're going as fast as the car can go. So the only thing that you can do faster is by getting tutoring that will be changing the vehicle to a plane. And with a plane you go faster. More or less, this is what I want to convey. There's no magic number. Just the duration of the course, that will be more than enough. The watch time of the course, and especially when you watch the course, also replicate it on your collection. Experience it on your own skin. Not just passively watch the content and that's it. That's all for now. See you incrementally.